My name's Alice Fitch and I'm the founder of wHola, an online platform to help retailers better buy at wholesale level.
My name is David Baker and my business concept is called 5 Friends.
My name's Ursula Hickey, I'm the manager of libraries with the City of Mitcham.
The problem space that I identified was around loneliness and isolation.
The program changed a lot for me. I went from what I felt was a very narrow concept. I went out wide with that concept, then I went back in narrow again, and then I ended up wide again at the end.
Because wholesale business, the way it's structured at the moment, is incredibly labour intensive, inefficient and not scalable, and I wanted to change that and make life easier and better for retailers.
It changed substantially, I think, during that 6-week period, and it grew to become a much more defined and more marketable product.
It made me think so much bigger about it, and instead of having a great idea, I now have a road plan for the next 5 years of how I'd like to see the business grow and change and better serve our customers.
The results from the project, from the course, specifically for me, were to encourage me to slow down and think about things differently than what I've done in the past.
The other thing was the empathy interviews that we were doing as part of the course has actually led me to go out and meet some really interesting people, and out of that have come all sorts of opportunities that I would never have found had I not done the course.
What surprised me the most were the lecturers. They were fun, they were engaging. I found myself concentrating full time. Not once did I find myself gazing out a window going into dreamland.
That it's not just a theoretical course. Everything that I learnt could be practically applied to my business and my project to improve it and improve me.
If someone was thinking about joining, well, I've already encouraged a number of people from my existing company to come along because I think they could develop up some amazing business ideas for the existing company.
I would tell them that it's worth it. It is quite a commitment, but the way that it changes your thinking is just incredible. Everybody in my class just completely transformed throughout the course.
And so ultimately for me, I think people would be a lot more successful in what they do if they did this course.
Taking the idea from the business canvas to complete execution and operation as a functioning business.
So I'm looking at teaching my team leaders how to apply the tools that I've learned.
Yeah, lots of things on the to-do list, but we're nearly there.
Challenging, thought-provoking and fun.
Intense, camaraderie and fulfilling.
Challenge, grow and build.